Hey, good morning there, friends and family. Hey, we're here today at Performance on Two Wheels. Hey, we just got done doing this freewheeler. We just put cams, exhaust, and tuned it. And for all you guys out here with y'all triglydes and all y'all bikes, if y'all need somewhere to come to get cams put in your bikes, dyno tuned, over here at Performance on Two Wheels, we're capable of dyno tuning your bikes and doing whatever you need done. You know, most of y'all bikes don't really get nothing done to them because everybody say, oh, this and that. But we can do anything that you need done. That didn't think that you could really make a trike do something or a freewheeler, that's the proof right there.